Hello everyone and welcome to Maintenance Moments here at Traveloko. It's something new we're starting where we're going to go through with you some different maintenance issues that we have with some of our trucks and help you to fix them or just keep an eye on them so that you can be a better truck driver. Here's our first one, Maintenance Moments here at Traveloko.
Hello, my name is Scott. I work for Traveloko. I'm the diesel technician here, and I have a little bit of my background. I've been a diesel technician and trailer technician since 1997, which is about 25 years. So I've got a little experience under my belt. Cat Companies, Detroit, Mercedes-Benz. I've had a little bit to do with all of them. Anyway, we look forward to being able to help you, or maybe in the future we can help you any way we can. Thank you.
One of the things we get asked over and over here, do you have any more lease purchase trucks? And we do have some in. Back when, after COVID, I don't know if I'm allowed to say that word, but hopefully I can. Otherwise I'll get banned from YouTube. But right after COVID, when everything went through the roof, everybody paid off their trucks. So we had to get a new batch of trucks, and we have now some Freightliners, some Internationals, a couple of Volvos. So if you're interested, give us a call and we'd be happy to talk to you if you're ready to buy a truck and open up a trucking business.
Traveloko.
We bought a bunch of trailers back in 2022, and lately drivers have been having problems with some of those trailers, saying they're starting to dogleg. Most of you seasoned drivers know what doglegging is, but just in case you don't know, you know how when you look at the back of a dog, the back of his leg looks like it's crooked. Well, when that happens to a trailer, the trailer drifts across the line, which it's pretty dangerous. It can hit another vehicle or the side of the road or something like that. So, the driver you see in that gold Freightliner before me, or behind me, he brought that trailer in and said it was doglegging so bad that he got a warning by a DOT officer saying that he was crossing the line. So we're going to check it out and see if it really doglegs or not. Let's put this to rest and fix it if we have to. Okay, so what are we going to do here?
We're going to measure the distance between rim to rim and get a measure on the other side to see how close they are, just to see if the alignment is close.
Okay.
Here. See, that measures 26 inches.
Wait, let's get it. Okay.
All right, we'll measure the other side. Measured in the exact same spot. You see, that's 26 1/8, which 1/8 of an inch is within spec.
What does it have to be in spec?
It can't be more than 1/8 of an inch difference between the two sides. And it's 26 1/8 on this side and 26 on the other side. So it's within spec. What we're doing today, we had a driver complain about the trailer possibly doglegging. So we're just doing a visual inspection of this trailer. We run down the road and see what it's doing. What I'm going to do is run the tractor in a certain distance from the white line. Now we're going to put the right side tractor tires on the white line. That way we can see what the trailer is doing, if it's tracking properly. And so far it looks like it's tracking pretty good.
Well, my question is to you, what do you think? It was pretty close. Like he said, 1/8 of an inch. It's small, but it can't be more than that. Would you take your trailer in to be aligned if it were that little of a distance off or not? It's within spec. I certainly, in my period of time as a driver, drove trucks that were way off. I mean, way off. So it just depends on the driver. It could maybe depend on the tractor too, but either the trailer's going over the line or it's not. So in this case, the driver that brought the tractor in, maybe when the police saw him, the DOT officer, he was distracted and kind of wiggling, just like Scott wiggled a little bit, because every driver does that occasionally. So maybe that was the case with him. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little show that we did about dog tracking, and hopefully it will help you in how to do better trailer maintenance with your trailer. We'll see you next time.